And good evening. That woman was the first person to get a DWI on an electric scooter since they hit the streets of Albuquerque in May. News 13's learned the DA's office dropped the charge. Here's Jeannie Nguyen with the reason why. Jeannie?
Jessica, even though that woman blew more than twice the legal limit, the DA's office says these e-scooter cases are hard to win.
In certain situations pertaining to, let's say, DWI, this does constitute as a vehicle, motor vehicle, under state statute.
Back in May, Albuquerque police arrested Lily Romero and charged her with a DWI after they caught her going the wrong way on 2nd Street downtown while on an e-scooter.
You know you're going southbound in the northbound lanes?
Do you realize that these scooters just happened in Albuquerque?
She struggled through the sobriety test and blew a .16, an aggravated DWI. It seemed like a clear-cut case for prosecutors. She was driving drunk on the scooter.
Okay!
So,
I went down the wrong way! Take me to jail!
well, that's where we're going, it sounds like.
But News 13 has learned the district attorney's office offered Romero a plea deal. Court documents show she pled guilty to disorderly conduct, but the DWI charge, that's been dismissed. We asked the district attorney's office why. A DA spokesperson tells News 13 there's still a lot of ambiguity about prosecuting these types of incidents, adding Romero had no criminal history and did not injure anyone. People in Albuquerque have mixed feelings about how DWI cases on e-scooters should be handled.
People these days just don't have the common sense to just act right. So, I mean, definitely you can get in someone's way and cause an accident.
There should be a little bit more leniency on the punishment.
We asked the DA's office to explain why these cases are so hard to prosecute, but we did not hear back. APD believes that's the only e-scooter DWI bust they've made, but says they'll continue to make more arrests. Jessica, back to you.
All right. Thank you, Jeannie. As part of the plea agreement, Romero has to do 8 hours of community service. If she violates her probation, she can face up to 6 months in jail.